Welcome back to my channel. This is Sonit from Techie Trickle, where I bring all the latest tech updates that you require for your business or for your online teaching. Now today I'm going to discuss about one important application or app that you can download on your mobile, with which you can remove all your Chinese applications or apps. Now the name of that is Remove Chinese Apps. Now that is kind of trending right now at the moment, so in case you are not aware of it, you can download it from the Play Store. Then if you scan it, it will list down all the Chinese applications that are there in your mobile. You can go ahead and delete or remove them one by one, and you can even keep, if you want to keep any of those Chinese applications. Now within the span of 1 week, it has a download of 1 million, and there are around 160k, more than 160k reviews, and most of them are 5+ ratings. So guys, if you are not yet done it, please go ahead and do it. Now most of you might be knowing this, so this is not the main objective of this particular video. I have listed down and have done a detailed analysis of all the alternatives that you have for these major Chinese applications. So the first one of them is obviously TikTok. The another one which is similar to TikTok is the like application. The best alternative for TikTok is right now TRILLER. Now it has no privacy issues, it supports lip sync, you can create small videos, and the best part is that it has AI, so it is AI driven, and there are more than 100+ filters also that you can use. So I would say please go ahead and start using TRILLER if you are not already working with TRILLER. UC browser comes next in the list. Now I don't know why many of you have been using UC browser, but I have always wanted Google Chrome, and I have always used, even in my phone, I have always used Google Chrome. You have seamless web browsing, no privacy issues, and you can use it without worrying about anything. The next on the list is Cam Scanner. Now Cam Scanner you usually use for scanning the documents, but just beware, while you are using this application, there might be some breaching some data, so some data you might face some data privacy issues. So I would recommend that if it is possible for you, then you just uninstall Cam Scanner and please go for Adobe Scan or Google Lens. These are awesome applications. I have Google Lens in my mobile, and I'm just loving using the Google Lens. So please install either of these two, and just let me know in the comments which one you installed and how you have been liking it, or even disliking it. Just let me know. Now if you are a content creator, then definitely there has been a situation where you need to send and receive files, right? And the next application that comes in my list is SHAREit. So obviously many of you have been using SHAREit and you don't know what is the alternative of SHAREit. It's Google Files. So Google File lets you seamlessly transfer and receive files, and that is without any ads, so there is no disturbance in between. So please go ahead and start using Google Files, and let me know if you are really liking Google Files. HELO became famous because it used to support a lot of regional language contents. Now there is a alternative for that, and that is SHAREit. So SHAREit also supports around 15 regional languages. So if you are someone who likes regional language content and you do not want to compromise with your data privacy, then please go ahead and start using SHAREit. That is a very good alternative for HELO. Alibaba is something that I don't need to introduce anything, but there are different alternatives for Alibaba, because in Alibaba while you put a request, the time it takes for that particular package to come, it takes a lot of time to reach your destination. So I would suggest that if you are using Alibaba, please go ahead and start using INDIAMART or Amazon for Business. I have been using INDIAMART and Amazon for Business for my creatives, and I have never faced any issues in procuring raw materials from wherever I want. I find a lot of distributors, a lot of people, suppliers to reach out to, and most of them are really authentic and they are really fast. App lock is something that many of you have been using for setting up the pins or password. But just make sure that with app lock you were compromising maybe with your internal storage information. So I would suggest that uninstall app lock, and there is another alternative, that is the Norton app lock. Now you will never face any issues with Norton app lock. Please go ahead and download that. Now these are some of the main Chinese applications that I could list that people use a lot. So if you really liked the alternatives, please go ahead and give me a like for that, and also subscribe to my channel and keep watching the videos that are popping up right now, because that really helps me. I'm trying to grow my channel and it really supports with your help. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till the next time, have a nice time. Bye bye.